And it'll tell you if it's recording.
Ah.
And I'm going to eat my manicotti.
And I want a video of me.
Okay, we'll put you in the video too. And we'll both be famous for eating manicotti on YouTube.
No. I took a picture of me saying no to Samara.
That was good. That's a directorial effect I haven't seen before.
Dad's face is a finger.
Hey, get your finger out of my shot, ma'am.
Okay. This is a lot.
Okay. Think we should cut it there?
No. Keep going. Eat some manicotti.
Why don't you,
Manicotti.
I'm being attacked.
No, not.
No, you're not.
Wait. I think we should stop recording for a
Okay,
minute.
why don't we stop now?
Okay.